Here's what moved markets today.
Reports of strengthening ceasefire prospects contributed to sharp declines in oil prices, with Brent and WTI falling despite the Strait of Hormuz remaining closed to commercial shipping. The price movement reflects market expectations for eventual resolution and reopening rather than current shipping conditions. Bitcoin traded above $65,000, with the price level maintained during a session that saw renewed net outflows from ETF products. The positioning occurred as institutional product redemptions continued alongside the broader improvement in risk sentiment from declining energy prices. Market participants are monitoring Wednesday's Federal Reserve policy decision, while the Clarity Act digital asset legislation entered what lawmakers have described as a critical two-week period for advancing through the Senate. The parallel developments represent significant near-term events for both monetary policy direction and federal crypto regulatory frameworks. Brazilian financial institutions are implementing blockchain-based tokenization of agricultural assets, with cattle being used as digitally represented collateral for rural lending products. The initiative reflects growing adoption of tokenized real-world asset infrastructure in Latin American agricultural finance. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitmart announced cessation of operations after 9 years, providing users a 6-month window to withdraw funds from the platform. The closure represents the exit of an established exchange from the market amid evolving competitive and regulatory conditions. Bitcoin mining company Poolin filed for bankruptcy protection, disclosing plans to liquidate approximately $52 million in mining equipment and infrastructure assets. The filing reflects continued financial pressures on mining operations, navigating the current market environment and post-halving economics. Looking at this morning's price action as of 1100 Central European Time, the market shows positive asymmetry, with meaningful gains outpacing losses. NIL up 22.62%, a substantial move in zero-knowledge infrastructure, alongside Lit Protocol adding 9.17% and Lido gaining 9.01%, with strength distributed across privacy, decentralized identity, and liquid staking protocols. On the downside, Shiba Inu leads decliners at 9.33%, with Tyco off 7.25%, giving back a portion of its recent 72% gain, and Zilliqa declining 5.04%, high single-digit selling in meme tokens and recent extreme movers, alongside mid-single-digit weakness in legacy smart contract platforms. The pattern shows continued selective strength as Q3 progresses, with meaningful upside outpacing contained losses across different protocol categories. Market structure reflects improving risk appetite compared to the extreme fear conditions that closed Q2, though participation remains concentrated in select protocols rather than broad-based across the market. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index stands at 39, nearly doubling from the 20 reading at the last update on July 2nd. The 19-point improvement over the past 3.5 weeks represents the most sustained sentiment recovery since the index's collapse from 61 to 15 during Q2, bringing conditions back to the fear-neutral boundary last seen in mid-May. Sentiment has retraced a significant portion of the Q2 deterioration, climbing from the extreme fear territory that defined the quarter's close back toward the threshold of neutral at 40. The recovery coincides with the period of ceasefire progress, declining oil prices, moderating Federal Reserve rhetoric, and Bitcoin reclaiming levels above $65,000.